everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. It's so delicious. Lobster potato curry. Lobster aloo curry. Today I'm going to show you how to make it. Delicious lobster aloo curry. And let's get started. The most important ingredient will be the lobster tail. This is the 1 pound and these are pre-cooked and they are frozen. Prior to adding it, I'm just going to wash it with cold water. It's called Langostino lobster tail. These are wild caught. 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 potato, 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger, 3 garlic cloves, cilantro, cumin seed, 1 teaspoon, salt, Kashmiri mirt, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, half teaspoon each. As for curry, I'm going to use 2 cups. If you want to make a running gravy, then you can add more. And olive oil for tadka. Onion and tomatoes are diced. Ginger, garlic, green chili, finely chopped. As for potato, peeled, cut into smaller pieces. I add it into the cold water so they won't get discolored. Let's start making our delicious lobster potato curry, or typical Punjabi lobster aloo di curry. Start burner. Get a pot. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin. Mix it. Cook for 10 seconds. Now add garlic and ginger. Keep it moving and keep cooking. We need to cook like 20 seconds so that raw garlicky flavor goes away. Now we're going to add onion. Mix it. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Now add green chili. Mix it. After adding green chili, mix it all and keep cooking until the onions are nicely brown. Onions are nicely golden brown. Now add tomato. Mix it all. Bring your gas to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking with the cover lid for 3 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. Mix it. If we see, the tomatoes are nicely tender. If we press it, and they get mashed really easy. You can mash it or you can leave it as is. Now add spices. Salt, Kashmiri mirt, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Now add potatoes. Mix it well. Cooking potatoes along with tadka for 1 minute. Now add water. 2 cups water. Mix it. Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As the water started to boil, I'll open it. Add garam masala. Mix it. Now bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid. And we're going to cook for 10 minutes. On medium gas, cooking potatoes for 10 minutes. I'll open the lid. Mix it. And if we check the potatoes, they are fully cooked. As you see, the potatoes are fully cooked. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pull out the potatoes. I'm going to pull out the potatoes. You can use a blender or you can use potato masher. And I'm going to mash the rest of the potatoes. Look at this, it's full nicely cooked. The whole reason I'm doing it, now the gravy will be nice, creamy texture. And we're going to eat the lobster, we're going to enjoy it. Now we'll add the potatoes again. Mix it. The lobster tail. What I did, I washed it, I drained the water, and now we're going to mix it. Now bring your gas on medium low and cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 3 minutes. We don't need to cook too long. The lobster itself is pre-cooked. The potatoes are fully cooked. So within 3 minutes, it will be all done. Serve with homemade roti, chapati, fulka, or you can call it tortilla. So that's how it's easy to make it. And now cooking lobster potato curry for 3 minutes on medium gas. I have my second dish, creamy paneer and fresh homemade tortilla. So let's open it and I'll share with you the lobster potato curry. Open the lid. As I mentioned, you don't have to cook too long. 3 minutes is good. Lobster itself are fully cooked. Mix it. This is very delicious. And now, fresh coriander leaves. Cilantro, which is dhania. Mix it. And our dish is all ready. I'm going to get my serving cloth. We're going to turn off the gas. I have my serving cloth ready and we're going to dish out. The tip I share with you, the potatoes, just mash it, keep it only few. You don't want the potatoes to overpower the lobsters. Very delicious lobster and potato curry. Let me share with you. You've seen it. It's so easy to make and it's super tasty and super delicious. Lobster potato curry or typical Punjabi lobster aloo curry. Please try it and you're going to like it. And you can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, even rice pulao. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.